Welcome to an in-depth review of HSBC Bank USA. If you've ever been curious about this banking giant, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into what HSBC Bank USA offers, its terms of service, and how it stacks up against the competition. First, what is HSBC Bank USA? It's the American subsidiary of the multinational HSBC Holdings, one of the largest banking institutions globally. With its wide array of services, HSBC claims to cater to everyday consumers and businesses alike. But how good are they, really? Advantages of HSBC Bank USA: global reach. HSBC provides access to banking in over 60 countries, ideal for travelers and international businesses. Wide service range. Offers personal banking, credit cards, wealth management, mortgages, and business accounts. Competitive rates on premium accounts. HSBC Premier customers enjoy attractive benefits like global account access and waived international transaction fees. Digital banking. Their app is feature-rich, allowing easy transfers, bill payments, and account management. Large ATM network. Access to thousands of ATMs across the USA without fees. Disadvantages of HSBC Bank USA: high account minimums. Many accounts, like HSBC Premier, require hefty balances of at least $75,000 to avoid fees. Limited physical locations. Despite being a global bank, there are only around 140 branches in the USA. Mixed customer service reviews. While some report good experiences, others have criticized long wait times and inadequate responses. These for standard accounts. Lower tier accounts often come with monthly fees if balance or transaction requirements aren't met. Services overview. Personal banking. Checking and savings accounts with tiered benefits. Credit cards. Rewards-focused options, particularly for frequent international travelers. Wealth management. Tailored investment solutions and financial planning. Business accounts. Offers scalable solutions for small to large businesses. Cost and fees. Monthly maintenance fees. Standard checking accounts may cost $15 or more unless waived by meeting balance requirements. Wire transfers. International transfers can cost up to $50 per transaction for non-Premier customers. Overdraft fees. Each overdraft costs $35. Still deciding whether HSBC Bank USA is right for you? Watch as we dig into the fine print to help you make an informed choice. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from this honest review.